In the heart of Riverside County, California, where smooth roads are essential, Toro Striping stands as your expert partner for asphalt highway and road line striping services. Our seasoned professionals employ state-of-the-art equipment and high-quality paint to ensure your roads are not only safe, but easy to navigate. Tailoring our services to meet your project's specific needs, we collaborate to create custom layouts, from basic striping to intricate signage, guaranteeing precision and durability. Starting with inspection and preparation, we clean the surface, repair cracks, and ensure it's dry. Design and layout follow, ensuring straight, uniform lines meeting regulations. Paint application, drying, and curing are meticulously carried out, and a final inspection ensures compliance. Beyond asphalt highway and road line striping, we offer a spectrum of pavement marking solutions, including parking lot striping, ADA compliance markings, and sports court markings. If you seek reliability and professionalism in line striping contractors, Toro Striping, Inc. is your trusted choice in Riverside County, CA. Contact us today to explore our services and bring excellence to your next project.